Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Slack. We go to settings. Here in this page you can enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. And then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you find update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.